Hello friends, how are you? Let's start today's video. Today's video is very interesting and it is very useful for you. I will tell how to use spectator mode. In this you can use night vision. You can know using cheating. You can by using survival mode. I will say how you can locate where is mineshaft, where is trial chamber and where is something else. This is very useful mode. Mode not one type of game. By this you for starting your survive and ending the Minecraft, this is very useful. There is no cheating in your survival life in Minecraft. You can also pass the underground and you can also pass the bricks or blocks where are located. First of all we should go to setting and make it survive and scroll down and resume the game and go to save and quiet. And now our save is done. There is our world spectator mode. Now first of all we should copy the world. Touch this and now our world is copied. First of all you should click continue and put to normal and make show coordinates. By coordinates is very important in your Minecraft because you can easily find your respawn point and where is your goal. Now our world is begin to start. Now we are in creative mode. First of all you should open the chat. Chat means message box. It is upward, you can see middle. I click and you should put a splash or type like this game mode spectator splash, write gamer or game mode spectator. Yes, it's done and send to Minecraft community. Now we will transfer to spectator mode. Oh guys, now we are in spectator mode. See this, there are many large amount of caves we can see. In night we cannot see because there is full of darkness. You can see the world or some oats by using this code night vision. Put a splash and effect HP night vision 999. Type like this. By this you can see night vision. This is also one type of mode of Minecraft. This is very useful for you. After typing this, send to Minecraft. See guys, here we can see the oats and caves, where is oats are located very easily. Now first of all we should find something zombie spawner point of mobs or some monsters, or else you can find easily mine shafts. In these places you can also get the interesting and mysterious chests. If you want to collect this, go to setting and you should make it survival or creative something else. First of all you should, where is the spawner point of zoom, you should take a screenshot and go to your original world. Now we are in the copy world and you can make mining and or thing else. You can make some mining places to reach here. See guys, now we got mineshaft. This is very interesting. By this you can easily find the mineshaft or something else. Here you can also get the something interesting enchantment book or something else. Here you can also get the many traps or something. There is one of the zombie spawner. Thank you all guys for watching my video. I will meet you in next video. Thank you guys. Like, share and subscribe and share to your friend. I will meet you in next time. Bye.